Implementing food technology offers exciting potential to improve efficiency, sustainability, and product innovation within the food industry. However, there are significant challenges that companies face when adopting these advancements. Here are the top 5 challenges in food technology implementation. Number 1. High initial costs. Adopting cutting-edge food technologies often requires significant upfront investment. Whether it's installing automation systems, upgrading to smart packaging solutions, or adopting alternative protein production, the initial costs can be a barrier, especially for smaller companies. Number 2. Regulatory compliance. Food technology innovations must meet strict regulatory standards to ensure consumer safety. Navigating the complex web of regulations across different regions can delay implementation and increase costs, as each new technology requires thorough testing and compliance checks. Number 3. Supply chain disruption. Implementing new technologies can sometimes lead to disruptions within the supply chain. For example, shifting to plant-based or lab-grown ingredients may require sourcing from new suppliers, creating delays and adding logistical complexity. Number 4. Consumer acceptance. Many consumers are wary of new food technologies, especially those involving genetic modification, lab-grown products, or synthetic ingredients. Overcoming consumer skepticism is crucial for companies, often requiring clear communication and transparency about the benefits and safety of these innovations. Number 5. Data and cybersecurity risks. With the rise of smart devices and data-driven solutions in food production, cybersecurity has become a major concern. Protecting proprietary information and sensitive consumer data from cyber threats is essential, as any breach could damage brand trust and incur legal repercussions. These challenges highlight the complexities of implementing food technology, underscoring the need for strategic planning and an understanding of both technical and market demands. Overcoming these obstacles is key to unlocking the full potential of food technology in today's market.